Hi, my name's Adam Phillips and I'm a solutions expert at Miller Weldmaster. For awnings, shades, screens, pergolas, and roller doors, welding offers a more seamless look with a stronger bond for increased product life. Miller Weldmaster's hot air, hot wedge, and radio frequency welding machines will easily weld your acrylic, PVC, vinyl, or any other thermoplastic material. Welding provides product longevity, less frequent repairs, and a leak-proof product. Welding heats in between the two layers of fabric, eliminating the needle punches from sewing, and provides a stronger, more aesthetically pleasing seam for your customers. Our welding solutions are used to produce top-quality residential or commercial-grade products. From small portable welders to fully automated solutions, they will provide a faster and more efficient process, resulting in less production costs to you. Each solution is fully customizable and can incorporate several different options, including welding, unwinds, heater applications, grommets, and more. Each solution can be built to meet your needs today and will also grow with you throughout the years. Want to talk to a welding expert or receive a virtual demo? Contact sales@weldmaster.com today.